Hello everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. So today I'm going to be teaching some jump kicks. It's going to be the basic jump kicks that you will learn in most martial arts schools, which is two variations of a jump front kick. We're going to do a skip jump front kick first, and then followed by a 2-foot takeoff jump front kick, okay? Then at the end of it, we're going to learn how to combine them together and link the two moves together. So I'll show you the move first, and then we'll break it down. So first things first, we're going to break down the skip front kick, okay? Now the reason I call this a skip front kick is because it's got a skip or pedal step into it, okay? And basically this kick is not so much for height, it's more for distance. So what we're going to do is have our kicking leg in the front, okay? So here I'm going to kick with my right leg, so my right leg goes in front. Now from here, the back knee comes up here, and I literally just switch my legs. So this foot that's in the air goes down, at the same time the other foot comes up, so they switch, and I kick with that back leg, okay? So first off, we're just going to do one drill. From here, forget the kick, we're just going to do the knees. So from here, we're going to bring that back knee up, switch, down. Okay, so that's step one. So from here, bring that back knee up, switch, and down. So cover that step and progress through that step until you feel comfortable to move on to the next stage, okay? The next stage would then be including the kick. So from here, my back knee comes up, my kicking leg is currently on the floor. From there, I'm going to switch legs here, and now where you would just put that leg down in the previous step, we're going to extend and then down, okay? So watch again, from here, I bring that back knee up. I'm going to switch legs and then down, okay? So the only progression from step one to step two is adding in that kick, and that is your skip jump front kick, okay? I'll just show you a few fast. So from here, okay, different angle coming at you, okay? It's just literally a skip step, 1, 2, all right? So moving on to the jump front kick this time. I call this kick the jump front kick because it's a real jump into this kick. It's a 2-foot takeoff, okay? A lot of people, when I first teach them this kick, they find it really alien to take off on 2 feet but only kick with 1 leg. But it's a 2-foot takeoff into that jump front kick. Let's get started. So, breaking it down, all I want you to do is do a step, step, so your feet are together, okay? So from here, step, step, my feet are together. Now watch my arms. Your arms are really important when jumping to get the height, okay? They really help with the wind up. So from here, when I do that step, 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 my arms wind up, come down. As I bend the knees, the arms are down, ready to explode when I jump, okay? So again, from here, I'm gonna go step, step, I'm down low, and then I'm ready to jump up using my arms and my legs, okay? That's step one, the step before the jump. One more time. Here, feet together, arms together, okay? Ready to explode. Moving on to step two. For now, all we're going to do is a double foot jump. So watch, forget the kick. We're going to come here, step, step, jump. Okay, that's all I want you to do. So again, I'll show you from this side. We're going to go step, step, jump, So, moving on with step number 3. The only difference from step number 2 is whilst you're in the air and you've done your jump, bring both legs in tucked, okay? And as you are reaching your maximum height, you're going to extend one leg into that front kick before you land, okay? So try and gauge it that at your maximum height, just before you reach it, extend and then land, okay? Landing, you can land on one leg, 2 legs, entirely up to you. The higher you jump, the more easier it is to land on 2 feet, okay? But it really doesn't matter which leg you land on, 1 or 2. The main thing is you're gonna jump 2 feet together, tuck those legs, 1 extends and down. Now with this jump front kick, I point my toes. That's purely from my freestyle background and the musical forms, okay? If you want to pull back the toes and hit with the ball of the foot, please feel free. It's totally down to personal preference, okay? So shall we give it a go? Let's go. So we're going to go step 1, step, wind, straight into step number 2. We're going to jump, tuck both legs, extend 1 and then land. Sounds simple, right? Let's go. Now, you can stop there. You can practice those moves individually, okay? And then when you feel like you've got them and you want to progress a little step further, you can link the 2 together, okay? Really, really simple process. It's just a link step in between each kick. So if I've done my first skip front kick here, or landed, I'm still in the same position that I started in, ready to do my second jump kick. So from here, I then do my skip step and then into my second kick. Okay, so watch. Here, my first kick, down, step, wind those arms in, jump off 2 feet, tuck, extend, down. Simple? Good. It's a lot more simple than it looks sometimes. Just break it down step by step, learn the steps, okay, learn the first kick, learn the second kick, then there's just a simple link step in between both, okay? So let's do one more breakdown before we link the 2 together. So here, just walk it through. So knee kick, down, wind up, step feet together, jump, down. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let's put it all together and link the 2 jump kicks. Got it? It's as simple as that, guys. Hope you like this week's tutorial. Get practicing those jump kicks. Leave me a comment below if you'd like to see more jump kicks and tutorials like this, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!